how wide-reaching is the scope of the EPA's Safer Choice program?
I will say it's quite wide-ranging because we do work with some of the biggest cleaning brands out there and some of the more smaller niche brands as well. And so at the grocery store, at the big box stores, you can find our Safer Choice certified products, and also at one of the largest online retailers, you can do a specific search there as well for Safer Choice certified products. And I will say that we do have Safer Choices is our main label, but we do have a label specific to disinfectants called Design for the Environment. So that is something where we're kind of working on the final steps of a rebrand for Design for the Environment. And that should be on the shelves, I think, this fall. So right now it's kind of an older logo that looks a little bit like 90s clip art. So we're updating that to make it a little bit more modern, but that's specific to that